भारतीय टपाल खातं देशातील सर्वात मोठी पेमेंट बँक बनण्यासाठी सज्ज झाली असून या बँक सेवेचा शुभारंभ शनिवारी पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी यांच्या हस्ते केला जाणार आहे। ही माहिती टपाल खात्याच्या गोवा विभागीय अधिकाऱ्यांनी शुक्रवारी पत्रकार परिषदेत दिली। या सेवेअंतर्गत गोव्यात सुरुवातीला पणजी आणि मडगाव शहरात इंडिया पोस्टल पेमेंट बँक सेवा सुरू केली जाईल, त्यानंतर त्याचा टप्प्याटप्प्याने विस्तार केला जाईल अशी माहिती यावेळी देण्यात आली।
India Post is already having savings bank services. The India Post Payments Bank account can be linked to that account also. So one customer can open an India Post Payments Bank account, and that will be backed by the person's savings bank account. So I can keep more than a lakh of rupees, or I can keep 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs in the account. 1 lakh will remain in the India Post Payments Bank account, and the rest will be in my savings bank account. So what is the advantage people get is the traditional banking services which the Department of Post offer. It is not under RBI, it is not regulated by RBI, so there are certain limitations in offering mobile banking or internet banking services to the people. But once you start opening India Post Payments Bank account, then you can use it as a wallet service. You can pay utility bills, you can do mobile banking, you can do internet banking. All these services would be available. Another most important factor of the India Post Payments Bank, benefit of the bank, is doorstep banking. Sitting at home, the senior citizens or the housewives or anybody for that matter who don't want to walk to the post office can sit at home and do basic banking services. He can even withdraw. He can send a request on the app and withdraw up to 5,000 rupees. The postman will bring to the house of the depositor, and he can sit at home and collect this money. So basically what is going to happen is the bank, the India Post Payments Bank, will be a sort of a mobile bank, because all the postmen will be provided with smartphones, and he will use these smartphones to access the accounts in the server backed by the security of the Aadhaar. So if you are going to withdraw some money from the account, that will be certified. The person's identity will be authenticated by the smartphone application by taking the details from the Aadhaar, and then only the withdrawal can happen. The same way, if you are depositing some money, so it will be authenticated through Aadhaar. So it will be a totally Aadhaar supported authentication system, whereby it is ensured that the person who is drawing the money or depositing the money is the actual depositor himself.